Hello, welcome to all. So, today, a World Quantum Day, we celebrate quantum technology is a field which reshaping our future. So, quantum technology is a rapidly developing field of information science. So, the best computing means it is more energy efficient. So, quantum technology is the only technology to solve this energy efficiency problem. Now, why we adopt the quantum technology? Because in on 14th April 1900, Planck introduced quanta. So, this year means this day on 14th April 2025, every year we are celebrating a World Quantum Day. So, what is quantum supremacy? So, quantum computing has more power. It can solve the problem exponentially fast because the qubits are superimposed with all the states, and the quantum computing operates multiple operations simultaneously due to unique behavior of a quantum particle. This is known as a quantum parallelism. So quantum parallelism is nothing. It likes solve a problem much faster than classical computers. So uh, quantum supremacy, many new company has achieved this quantum supremacy, like Google achieved the quantum supremacy. So the quantum computer is more powerful than supercomputer with great margin, and also the other countries also achieving the quantum computing supremacy. Now many in this day we I'm going to discuss the more job opportunities in this area of quantum technology, like many internship opportunity like research, software internships and hardware internships are there, and Google is also making a research careers on the quantum technology. And many of the job search site like Indent or LinkedIn, you can see many jobs are there. So this is a very good emerging area to make your future uh, in terms of real computing systems. So what is quantum revolutions? So many of the research area in the quantum computing like error corrections and fault tolerance, new algorithm developments and the new information theory and the simulations and the new materials, quantum communication for secure information, quantum sensing and cryptography and many other communications protocols. Now we are in because the central government has launched the scheme national quantum missions. This is more many areas are there in the R&D institutes like quantum computing, quantum communication, quantum sensing, quantum materials and devices. Now what are the quantum supremacy achieved by Google? That is a processor, psychomore, and these are the views of quantum computers. And IBM is also achieved the quantum supremacy. The system is IBM Q, and IBM using the processor quantum Heron processor. This is more advanced and more fast. It is a 133 qubit processor, and the future plan of IBM is 100 million quantum gates in the year 2019 in 2029 and 1 billion quantum gates in the year 2033. This is the future plan of IBM. And IBM is also released the open access platform, that is Qiskit, to write a quantum assembly code and measure the qubits and state vectors and also the probability graph with respect to input qubits. So many generative AI tools are there to inbuilt in the Qiskit, so it can help for your programming more better or more easily. We can done a programming. Now quantum computing companies, many companies are there like it is a booming area actually. In the booming, what are the booming areas? Like cryptography, quantum sensing and then quantum materials. So in this way the Google, IBM, Intel has many companies are there. We offered programmers, designers and also many research programs are there in the quantum science, which is taken initiative by NASA, and also many quantum startup companies are there. And quantum internships opportunities provided by IBM, Microsoft, Amazon Web Service, and many hands-on quantum tools are there. Like IBM has released the IBM Quantum Experience platform, like Qiskit or Composers based on the clouds, and the quantum and the Google also has released the simulating platform with open access. And many other Qiskit, which is developed by IBM, has releasing a many hackathon events like IBM Quantum Challenge. Now these are the benchmark tools which is developed by many big companies. Like IBM has developed the Qiskit tool, Microsoft developed the tool Quantum Development Kit and Regity Forest, and Google also and Regity. Many of the benchmark tools are there. So the cloud-based quantum computing platforms are there, like IBM Qiskit and many more. So the latest development is, what are the latest developments in India? Like recently the central government has launched the national quantum missions in the year 2023, which has a budget of 6,000 crore to make a quantum computers which is more fast, and the computing power we can analyze by the qubits. So the range of qubits is 50 to 1000 qubits in the next 8 years. This mission is actually focused on many areas like quantum communication, sensing, metrology, and new materials. And DRDO and TIRF Institute has successfully tested the quantum processor, which is on 6 qubit processor. And these are the big companies we can see in the market, like Atom Computing's worked on the building scalable quantum computers, and Alice and Bob working on error correction and fault tolerance quantum computing, and D-Wave. D-Wave is making a quantum computing with superconductive materials to make a device more powerful and more energy efficient. Okay, so these are the quantum computing companies which are providing a more opportunity to students to make your career in a new emerging area like quantum computing. So now I just go to learn some fundamentals of quantum computing. So in this way I am presenting some questions to you. You can solve all these questions. So first question, in quantum computing, what is qubits? So these are the options. So the second option is correct, like the quantum computing, the qubit is a quantum information unit which can superimpose all the quantum states and make a system more powerful. And the second question is, which is the key advantage of quantum computing over classical computing? So quantum computing is perform faster computations. So the one experiment is that, so the supercomputer takes some problem which can solve 10,000 year, but the Google quantum computer solve a certain problem in 200 seconds. That means the quantum computing is more powerful computing technology. Now we come to third question, which of the term quantum computing where qubit lost their quantum property and behave like classical bits? So this property name is quantum decoherence property. Now the last question is, the quantum computing is more faster. Yes, it is more faster with supercomputing. So it is 158 million times more faster than quantum computing. So now I just end this talk, and I just say to you, the quantum computing day is very special day. Special day to all the person who want to develop this technology and make our nation more better way. So on this quantum world day, let's commit to explore innovative and quantum future for science, for progress, for a better world. So thank you to all.